LUTs are presets of color correction, and as that you can also download out custom LUTs and then keep them over here in the folder of Davinci Resolve so that you can apply them. So over here, if I were to go around the LUTs right here, you can see that they are here in a pre-arranged folder right here. So what you can also do is you can access the LUT folder and then rearrange it or add in your own LUT as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the project setting icon right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around over here onto color management section. And here you can see open LUT folder is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it opens up this folder right here. So once you do that, here you can see that there are folders right here like ACES right here. There's Astro Design, and inside there are certain LUTs right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here and cancel this, you can see that under Astro Design there is this LUT right here. But let me just go around onto the main folder and bring in this folder right here. So from the LUT, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select out some of the LUTs, that is iLUT format that we have right here inside of ACES. And once we do that, you can see that there are some LUTs right over here. So once you do that inside of ACES, you don't really see anything now. But if I were to go around onto LUTs right here and refresh it, so let me just go around and refresh this, you can see the other LUTs that I dragged in right here, just like this. I can go around and refresh, as you can see. And similarly, you can add in the LUTs that you want over here on this folder, which you might have downloaded online as well. And then you can refresh to get those particular color correction preset LUTs over here as well. And that is how you can work around with Davinci Resolve LUTs and arrange out LUTs in folder by viewing the LUTs folder. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.